today we're going to be talking about the principal parts of verbs, or the four basic forms. We have the base form, the present participle, the past, and the past participle. And again, this isn't something really new to you. You do it, and you have been doing it pretty much since you started talking. But now we're just giving it a title, and we're going to purposefully be creating these different forms. Let's look at the first one. We have jump. That's our base form. To make it a present participle, we're going to add is and ing. To make it past, we're just going to add ed. And to make a past participle, we're going to add has and then ed to make it past. Same thing with smile. Is smiling, smiled, has smiled. Draw is drawing, drew and has drawn. We have to be careful for those irregular verbs, the ones that don't follow the pattern, and you know in the English language there are a lot of those. So you need to make sure that you're familiar with those irregular verbs. Because if you look, drew did not add ed, and it did not add or d or ed here, and it did not add ed over here. It became drew and drawn. You need to be mindful of that. So over here I'd like you to create your own examples, practicing with the four basic forms of a verb. The present participle is formed by using a helping verb, is or are, and adding ing to the base form, piece of cake. The past participle is formed by using a helping verb, have, has, or had, and the past participle. I love it when this doesn't work. Okay, please note that jump and smile are regular verbs because ed or d is added to them in the base form to create the past participle. Totally said that wrong. Okay. Take two. So please note that jump and smile are regular verbs because ed or d is added to the base form to create the past and the past participle. Draw, as we said before, is an irregular verb because it changes its spelling in the past and the past participle, and that's just going to be one of those things you have to memorize. All right, so I gave you some samples of irregular verbs, and that's in your notes, and this is just something you're going to have to memorize. They're tricky, but that's the way our English language goes. For example, we have see, saw, has, have, had, seen. Ride, rode, has, have, had, ridden. All right, we're not adding d or ed to any of these. They have their own set of rules. You're just going to have to memorize them. Okay, and that's it for forms.